Welcome to Light Mode. Let's start this video with a quote from Apple's founder Steve Jobs. He said, "Never settle for average." कभी भी औसत के लिए आप compromise मत करो. तो our target at Light Mode is always to leverage your time, and we have got a grand success in order to help 100 plus Light Mode family members to clear IBPS 9, PO and clerk. We are saying that you people are our family members because we believe that we can understand what kind of trauma you go through in preparation phase, from family to relative, from financial issues to all those issues. That's why our products are affordable, as well as we care for you and we handhold you and give you personalized experience and personalized guidance. So our target is leverage your time, and we have succeeded in helping 100 plus families to achieve what they deserved. Let's move to our next slide. And before moving to that, I want to clarify that few videos on YouTube are nowadays roaming, in which people are saying that we have got some input from Ion Digital. Okay, they are saying that we have got some input from Ion Digital, and they are saying that maybe the paper will happen on 27th of June, result will come on 27th of May. So listen, the corona crisis is there. Exam may happen, exam may not happen. Nobody can take the guarantee, and we don't want to just pressurize you to just sell our courses. Okay, we are talking honestly that there is no input as of now. Whenever any input or notification will come, we will update it on our website as well as separate platforms, which you can find in the YouTube about section. Moving ahead, around now you will be thinking after IBPS PO and clerk exam that now what exams we have to face. So the first one is SBI clerk 2020 mains. Second is RBI assistant 2020 mains. RBI was scheduled on 29th of April, SBI was scheduled in March. Both has been postponed, and most probably they will happen in June or July. Most probably, I am saying, if I am optimist that corona is contained, then only the exam will happen, because I have seen that MAT MBA exam that's using some AI tool, using which you can give the exam sitting at home. But seeing the gravity of government exam and a lot more corruption included in the government exam, where people are ready to pay 10-20 lakhs in government exam, I suspect that IBPS or any government PSP will go for online exam from home. Okay, so do check out the MAT thing. Moving ahead, SEBI grade A pre and mains both are there. So pre is scheduled on 4th of July, as well as RBI grade B 2020 mains. And the good news is we have our mock ready. Video courses are going to be launched. GA, you know our expertise in GA. All those 100 plus students have got success because they cleared the cutoff by a good margin in mains, and the GA played an important role in that. Apart from that, we also help in the interview process and the descriptive part, because the descriptive and interview also plays an important role. People have scored 70 plus marks and got success in interview. Apart from that, a descriptive is an important pillar in exams like SEBI, RBI as well as SBI. So apart from that, what other exams are there? RRB PO, RRB clerk, SBI PO, and insurance and EPFO exam is also there. So there is no dearth of exam. Yes, I agree, the exam will happen in June or July, that's a question. Okay, but the exams will occur because the vacancies are too much because of the retirements as well as the vacancies which are pending. So the thing is, you have lots of vacancies in your hand, you just have to prepare smart with light mode. Okay, so the RBI grade B vacancies, if I focus on RBI grade B vacancy, the RBI grade B vacancy will come in 2020 for sure, because the RBI has got lots of work to do and they need energetic officers. So RBI grade B will definitely recruit in 2020. We at Light Mode are telling you that RBI grade B will happen for sure. So don't hesitate in preparing. Okay, start preparation and do smart work with us. Moving ahead, I want to show you few testimonials like Sri Ram Manthena. He topped Andhra Pradesh exam in IBPS PO and clerk, and his review was after IBPS PO mains exam, and he said one of the best materials available. Content is in a very simple language and covers almost everything. One can easily score 25 to 30 just by reading light mode material. There are few questions directly from the 7 quizzes light mode had conducted 2 days before the exam. So we also conduct quizzes for the better revision purpose. And the main difference between the material done by light mode and other coaching institute, that light mode focuses only on the content that is eligible to come in the exam instead of giving every non-useful information. So our purpose is, in the time of overflow of information, we know what content is useful and we save your time. That's why our name is Leverage Your Time. The way they are filtering out the content is very good. So he has got the success in IBPS PO as well as clerk. Muralidhar Misra, again he has also got the success after 5 years of preparation, and you know why he was not succeeding in any exam. The reason was GA. In IBPS PO, he hasn't subscribed to us for the GA material and he failed IBPS PO by 2 marks. But after that exam, he realized that without GA, he is not going to clear the exam. In IBPS clerk, he subscribed to our material. He got 34 out of 50 and he is now clerk in Bank of Baroda. His success story will be published tomorrow in English for our dear South India students as well, because they have requested from states like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Telangana that we don't understand Hindi. So please put some videos and interview in English as well. So yes, Muralidhar Misra's interview will be up tomorrow. So he is a role model for all of you. Perseverance and patience. 4-5 years of preparation each means salute man. Next is you can see the reviews. So we have pretty good reviews on social media as well as everywhere. So on the result day, I also shared a post regarding the success. So the message for those who failed was that I have seen aspirants becoming SBI PO and RBI employee after failing in IBPS PO and clerk. See, you know what's the condition of PSBs is, okay. So people know that RBI is a better institution, so people want to join RBI. So I have seen people failing in IBPS PO clerk and becoming RBI grade B officer in that very year. So what's the difference? The difference is motivation, smart work. So learn from your previous mistake, analyze, act and move on. For those selected, congrats. And a few testimonials I want to share with all of you. So these are the testimonials which you can see. So apart from that, we have also got a very good mail from this is from Guduri Pravalika. So she is saying that I appreciate the hard work of Light Mode, which is the only channel who can understand the valuable time of a serious aspirant. So yes, Guduri, we liked your comment and all your queries has been resolved, and you will get every content in real time, okay. So don't worry, your selection is our tension, and thank you for trusting us, and all those aspirants who trust in Light Mode, we are always there for you. For your any doubt, you can message us, you can mail us, you can call us, and you know you are capable of more than you know, okay. So with that, I want to end this video, and you can go to about section and you will see that we have the presence on Quora, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram. So do hit us on Quora, Facebook as well as on Telegram, okay. Whatever social media platforms you are on, do hit us. Apart from that, we have a honest interview series going on. Honest interview 1, 2, 3, Delhi GK update going on, okay. So we have lots of content going on YouTube. So don't forget to get motivation from the successful PO and clerk aspirants who have got a seat in PSPs. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all. Good luck for the future. Light Mode is there for your success. Goodbye.